Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a frustrating trackpad issue where two-finger scrolling suddenly stops working. As you can see on screen, the cursor moves perfectly fine, but the page itself won't scroll unless you manually drag the scroll bar on the side. There are a few ways to fix this, but today I'm going to show you an easy, free solution using a custom web tool I built specifically for this problem. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Capture your system information. First, click the link in the video description to open the web app. Next, open your PC settings, search for About, and select About your PC. Take a clear screenshot or use the snipping tool to capture your laptop's system specifications. Save the screenshot somewhere you can easily find it, such as your desktop or downloads folder. This information helps the tool identify your exact system configuration. Step 2. Capture your touchpad driver information. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Then, expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices section. Take a screenshot showing your touchpad driver. For example, you might see a Synaptics touchpad driver listed there. Save this screenshot alongside the first one. Step 3. Generate the fix script. Go back to the web app and upload both screenshots in their respective fields. Once they're uploaded, click Generate Fix Script. The app will analyze the information from your screenshots and generate a custom script tailored to your hardware and system configuration. When the script is ready, copy the generated text. Step 4. Create and run the batch file. Open Notepad or your preferred text editor and paste the script into it. Then go to File and select Save As. In the Save As Type drop-down menu, select All Files. Give the file a recognizable name, making sure it ends with a .bat extension. For example, fixtouchpad.bat. Save the file. Now, locate the batch file you just created. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Let the script run in the command window. If you're prompted to press Enter when the process is finished, press Enter to complete the process. Anytime you run into the issue again, just run the script as administrator and it'll be fixed. And that's it. As you can see, two-finger trackpad scrolling is now working smoothly again. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you run into any issues or have questions, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.